and this is the living space. Voila!
Here it is, dining here, kitchen here. I mean, everything's in one place.
It's a great space. It's got some easterly views, northerly sunlight coming in, but it's just, I don't know, it just needs a bit of a lift. It needs a lift. One of the big highlights in the living space is this feature wall here. I think it really sets the tone when you arrive and live in this space. It's a vertical wood panelling from Resene, and Brian's installed all of this. He's done an amazing job. And one really cool function and feature is tucked in behind here is the linen cupboard. But there it is, all the linen in there, and we've used a caboodle pantry cabinet to build the shelving. We wanted to add a decent size wardrobe in the master bedroom. So what's happened in here is Brian's actually put a false wall out here, about 400 into the lounge, but you don't actually feel like you've lost that much space because we've taken what was the TV cabinet, the TV is wall mounted, and we've put everything in here. So all of those, the cables and the wires are all tucked in here. The flooring, I think, really pairs nicely with all the colours around here. From Godfrey Hirst, we've got a really beautiful laminate flooring, and we've got a nice wool blue pile carpet rug that kind of softens and kind of defines the living space from the dining space. One of the briefs was to add colour, so Alice has added a cool feature wall and paint from Resene. I think this is a really cool option. We've got a dining table, we've still got the breakfast bar over there. This is actually the same bench top from Caboodle, a built-in bench seat around the corner here. Make sure that the dining table is not sticking out too far into the space. It's a really efficient use of space.